Hi, this is Ramachandran from onlinemathforall.com. In our website onlinemathforall.com, students can find video tutorials like this, which would be much useful for them to prepare for competitive exams like GMAT, GRE, CAT, bank exam preparation, CACPT, and more. Okay, this video is about solving problems on speed and distance. Here we are going to see how to solve problems on speed and distance. We have a problem on the board, that is, the ratio between the speeds of two trains is 7:8. If the second train runs 400 miles in 5 hours, find the speed of the first train. So this is our question. Okay. Whenever we have this kind of problems in competitive exams, as soon as we see the question, so we try to get the answer. So before that, the most important thing is, before we are trying to solve this kind of problems, so first we have to understand the question. That is, we have to understand the information given in the question. So thereafter, we should try to solve. So okay, first let us understand the information given in the question. In this problem, we have two information. One is the ratio between the speeds of two trains is given, that is 7:8. Students, be clear. The speeds of the two train is not given. The ratio between the speeds of the two trains, first train and second train, the ratio of the speeds is given, that is 7:8. And we have one more information, that is about the second train. That is, the second train runs 400 miles in 5 hours. That is, in the second information is given, the distance covered by the second train is 400 miles and time taken to cover 400 miles is 5 hours. So this is the second information, and the target of the question is find the speed of the first train. Okay, I'll show you how to solve this one. Now we have understood the information given in the question. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, so the ratio is given, speed, the ratio of the speeds of two trains. Is clearly given, that is 7:8. So here we have two trains, so the ratio of the speeds of two trains is 7:8. So from this ratio, if we need the original value, that is from the ratio 7:8, if I need the speed of the first train, if I need of the second speed of the second train, so what do I have to do? I'll show you here. So speed of the first train is equal to 7x. Speed of the second train is equal to 8x. So from the ratio, if we need the original value, we have to multiply the first term and second term of the ratio by the same number, any number. Here I have considered the number x. I have multiplied the first term 7, second term 8, both by the number, same number x, to get the speed of the first train, speed of the second train. So here the students may have a question. So for what reason we multiply by x to the first term and second term of the given ratio? I'll explain you here. For example, distance covered by the first train is 300 miles. Distance covered by the second train is 400 miles. Then what is the ratio of the distance covered by the two trains? So this is a distance covered by the first train, this is the distance covered by the second train. So if you find a ratio for this one, so you'll say 300 is to 400. So here 300, 400, both the numbers are divisible by 4. So we can divide both the numbers by 100. So when we divide, so we get 3 here, here 4. So we get the ratio 3:4. So this is the ratio of the distance covered by the two trains, 3:4. Okay, from this ratio 3 is to 4, if you need the original distance of the first train, original distance of the second train, so what we have to do? We have to multiply the first and second, both the terms by 100. Because if we multiply the first term 3 by 100, we get 300, which is the distance of the first term that we have here. And if we need the distance of the second train, we have to multiply the second term by 100, so we get 400. That is the distance covered by the second train. So here in this example, small example, it's very clear. So if we need the original value from the given ratio, we have to multiply first term, second term by 100, because here it's very clear. So we know that we have to multiply by 100. So I multiply the first term by 100 to get the distance of the first train, and distance of the second train also I multiply by 100. So in this small problem, I clearly know that I have to multiply by 100. But in our problem, the ratio of the speeds of two trains is given. From this ratio, if we need the speed of the first train, second train, what number do we have to multiply? Because a small example which we took, so we knew very clearly that is we have to multiply by 100. But in our original problem, so what number do we have to multiply here? I mean, what number do we have to multiply to the first term of the ratio, to the second term of the ratio? I don't have any clear idea. So that is the reason I multiplied by x to the first term and second term, so to get the original value, that is speed of the first train, speed of the second train. So now the target of the question is to find the speed of the first train. So once we know the value of this x, so it has to be multiplied by 7, we'll be getting the speed of the first train. So now our target is to get the value of x, because once we get the value of x, it has to be multiplied by 7 to get the speed of the first train. So to get the value of x, I'm going to use the second information given. That is speed of, second train runs 400 miles in 5 hours. So in the second information, it is given the distance covered by the second train and also time taken by the second train to cover 400 miles. So here we know the two things, distance and time. So by using these two things, we can find the speed. So because of formula to find speed, so speed of the second train is equal to, the formula we have for speed is distance over time. So distance here given, that is 400 miles, time taken is 5 hours. So if we simplify this one, 80, so 80 miles per hour, this is the speed of the second train. So already we have speed of the second train in terms of x, so that we have here. And now we got 80 miles per hour. So already we got the speed of the second train in terms of x, that is 8x. Here we got the speed of the second train, that is 80. So equation 1 and 2 mean the same thing, that is speed of the second train. So we can equate them. I'll show you the next step on the next page. So equation 1 says speed of the second train, so that is 8x. Equation 2 also says the same thing, speed of the second train, that is 80 miles per hour. Since both the equations mean the same thing, I equate these two. So from this I have to solve for x. So to solve for x, I divide by 8 on both sides. So when I divide, so I get x is equal to 10. So I get x is equal to 10. So from this easily we can get the speed of the first train, that is so speed of the first train, already we have written speed of the first train in terms of x, that is 7x. Here already I have told you our aim was to get the value of x. Now we got the value of x, that is 10. 7 times this x has to be replaced by 10. So 7 times 10 is 70 miles per hour. This is the speed of the second train. Okay, students, I hope you'll be able to understand how to do this kind of problems in competitive exams. So please don't think that I took much time to solve this problem, almost 10 minutes. Actually, it's not like, because I explained this thing step by step and I wrote everything neatly. But when you're solving this kind of problems in competitive exams, you don't have to write like what I've done here. I mean, I've written the steps clearly, but you don't have to write like this, because your primary aim will be to get the answer. So it's very simple thing. Ratio of the speeds of two trains is given. So from the ratio, if we need the original value, we have to multiply the first and second term by the same number. Here I do not know what number to be multiplied to the first and second term of the ratio to get the original value, that is speed of the first train, speed of the second train. So I assume I have to multiply by x. So I multiply the first term by x. So I got 7x as the speed of the first train. I multiply by the second term, I mean 8. So I multiplied 8 by x. I got the speed of the second train 8x. So after getting these two, I'm going to use. So after getting these two, my aim is to get the value of x, because once we get the value of x, if it is multiplied by 7, we'll get the speed of the first train, because our aim is to get the speed of the first train. So to get the value of x, I'm going to use the second information. The second information is distance covered by the second train is 400 miles in 5 hours. So we know the distance and speed. We know the distance and time of the second train. So from that I got the speed of the second train using the formula distance by time. So I got the speed of the second train 80 miles per hour. Already we got the speed of the second train in terms of x, that is 8x. Here we got speed of the second train 80. So both the things mean the same. So I equate these two, 8x and 80. When I equate these two, 8x and 80, I'll be able to get the value of x, that is equal to 10. So after having received the value of x, I'm just going to plug x is equal to 10 in speed of the first train, because already we got the speed of the first train in terms of x, that is 7x. So there I plug x is equal to 10. So when I plug, so I get speed of the first train equal to 70 miles per hour. Okay, students, once we know the way of solving any problem on speed and time, easily can be solved. Okay, students, for more videos like this, please visit www.onlinemathforall.com. Thank you.